So welcome back to the channel. I just tried to upload this and apparently half of it started in slow-mo, but it's fine on my phone. Like it plays through fine on my phone and on YouTube. But when I go to my other, like my work phone, it doesn't. Anyways, the backstory is, if you didn't see my last video, this broker gave me a negative rating on Central Dispatch and chewed me out for damaging a vehicle. I tried to stop him as he was talking because he wasn't talking about the vehicle I hauled. So it's been a long overdue process getting paid and all this, and then the way he treated me was like, I've never been talked to like that before, and I kept my cool because I'm used to blowing up. So anyways, I got a negative rating from him posted on my page. In the new Central Dispatch system, you can't undo a transactional rating. Once he gives you a 1 star, it sticks. I went to book cars to go to Florida today, and the broker saw that and denied me the load because they were exotic cars, and it said that I had damaged cars. It wasn't my company that damaged cars. I hauled a gray car. The car that got damaged was red. I talked to the guy, as you're going to see on this video, and at the end of the day, I'm still the one getting screwed. Central Dispatch can't do anything about it, as they say, so I'm going to try to run it up the chain as far as I can, and hopefully this doesn't keep costing me money, or someone's going to hear about it.
Okay.
Hey, we had delivered that Porsche last week for you, and I saw you left a negative review. I'm just trying to see what that's all about.
I've never left a negative review for anybody, especially with the new system. So that is not me. Let me check to see if I didn't make a mistake, because I don't do that.
Well, it's got my it's got my name. It's got my name all over it, from Jay's Auto Transport. Are you out of Dover, Florida?
Let me pull it up, okay? Bear with me. I'm in front of my computer, okay? I'm going to my ratings, and this would be not a pending rating. Would this be a regular rating, if you see?
It looks like it's in the new system, and it's got a paragraph about I never called you, and there was a violation, that I demanded that I damaged the car, and we came to the conclusion that we were talking about different vehicles, so. Yeah, Kendall Enterprises.
Kendall Enterprises. Because I'm scrolling down, I don't see anything. I don't put negative ratings on there. Are you sure it's in the new system?
Yeah, it's in the new system.
Pending ratings. Let me look up your company. It's under Kendall, Kendall.
Yes, that's correct.
Kendall Enterprises out of
St. Thomas,
PA.
that's correct.
Kendall Enterprises. It's showing that you have a 100% rating.
Well, I've got a 1 star rating here from you from the 1st of May.
Did you see it was removed? Because I didn't leave it on there when I found out it was the wrong company. I took it off. Are you looking at an email or the actual review site? I'm trying to get your attention with that, because they weren't answering your phone initially when I first called you. But then when you got back to me, we realized it was the wrong car, and I immediately removed that because they just had it pending.
No, it's not on. It's not on. It's.
I'm trying to find it. I don't see it in here.
Yeah, it's not under pending on mine. It's under all ratings.
It's under overall rating.
It's under all ratings, and yeah, it's got me down as
Because I
a.
have somebody I can call in Central and say, look, that was a typo, man. That was never meant to come on there. And they'll take it off.
Well, I mean,
This system sucks.
well, you should be able to remember. I mean, you should.
I found out the company that did it was Eveline or something like that. Eveline took this Porsche up there and fucking damaged the crap out of the front spoiler on it. And they dropped it, never collected any money, and now they're not even going to
No, it's from May. It's from May 1st. And like I said,
Kendall Enterprises on Lincoln Way, St. Thomas, PA.
that's correct.
It says your connection, transaction count. There's no way to go into this thing to see. Oh my god, this sucks. Goddamn, the busiest goddamn fucking phone day. And the busiest phone hours, lunch hours, and all 3 time zones. My phone never stops ringing. So I'm gonna have to get on the horn with these people, miss 100 phone calls coming into my company because their stupid system didn't give me a chance or notify me that it was about to go live, like the old system they used to do. I'd have a chance to update it before it went live.
Yeah.
Fucking system just blows. It absolutely just blows. And I apologize for that. I'm gonna post my 5-star rating on there. Why can't you go back in and change something in there? That's what I don't understand. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know if
What am I
there's.
supposed to do? Am I supposed to give you a rating for every damn time you move the car now? It's always different. You can get multiple reviews now from the same broker.
Correct. Yeah, it's by transaction from now.
You know what the fuck? This is the stupidest thing ever. You know, and what I see on here looks like you do have a 1-star from me, but I click on it and I can't get back into it or anything. So I'm gonna have to call them and say, what do we do here? That was a typo. Went on there. I was trying to get it off. Went on there by accident. So I'm gonna get that off no matter what it takes, okay?
All right. Well.
Call to them. I'll let you know what they say and how long it might take, but that sucks. That's just the worst.
All right. Well, let me know. Just at least send me a courtesy text or call and let me know when you get it taken care
I
of.
will definitely let you know. Yep. All right. And so I'm gonna call you at this 301-964-3222. Yep, that's the number I sent you.
Yep.
Okay. And what was your first name again?
My name's Jason.
That's right. Okay. Let me fix it. I'm all over it. Thanks.
All right. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
So as you guys heard there, he decides that he's gonna bash me to try to get my attention when I wasn't answering my phone, which I always answer my phone, especially when I'm dealing with somebody directly like a broker. Jason never called me when there was a problem. Jason violated, never sent me a bill of lading, which he said he didn't want one. Jason never sent me pictures. Jason damaged the vehicle. Jason argued with the customer. The customer never really got a bill of lading. The customer did get a bill of lading. And just completely bashed me. Gives me a 1-star on Central Dispatch. And come to find out, he's like, did you guys hear him? He's saying that, oh, it was a typo. At the typo, you put my name in this 30 times. And you act like you don't know what you did. That's how unhinged this guy is. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna leave his information in there because this dude is that, like, out of control. But I'm just trying to show you guys what we have to deal with on an absolute daily basis. Yeah, then, but like, I mean, that just affects my company, which really starts to piss me off because.
I told him that. I said, this is affecting them today. Every time they ask for an order, somebody's going to look at that review and they're going to say, they'll take a chance, you know? And I go, I wouldn't want to be a carrier with that review on there. I go, it's sent to the wrong company. You're not letting me go back in and fix my error? That's wrong. Even Yelp lets you go back in and change your bad review. And somebody makes you whole again. You're going to punish this guy forever? By not taking this off ever? There's got to be a way to take that off.
Alright, well, I guess.
I'll go class action lawsuit with you. You know?
Yeah, I mean, it's really gonna.
It looks bad to me because my name comes up. I'm the only broker in Dover, Florida. It says Dover, Florida broker. It looks bad for me. I don't want that on there either. You know what I mean? The only way I've ever used a negative review in 13 years is to tell brokers, tell carriers, I can't reach you yet. The only way I could is to give you a negative rating so it pops up and you know I'm trying to reach you.
Yeah.
That's usually when the carrier doesn't contact you for 4 days and the car's late by 4 days. That'll give them a negative review for the lack of communication, shipment different than expected. But if you have 8 days before it goes live, you know,
Yeah,
this is the first negative review I gave because this Eve line or whatever the name was came off a 2-car hauler and just bent over under the spoiler on the front of a nice Porsche. Scratched the whole shit up out of the damn thing, you know? And they're still trying to work it out. They're in charge for the whole shipment. They didn't collect any money on delivery. And my guy's trying to figure out how to fix the thing. It might cost more to put a new spoiler on than what the $500 fee was for a short distance haul to Nyack or the other car that really deserved a negative review. And, yeah, I mean, this is just not good. They can't let me go in and change that. That's just bad all the way around. So let me ask you this. Do you have reviews on BBB or on Yelp? I mean, I'd like to post 2 reviews right now, one on BBB and one on Yelp, and say, I accidentally gave this company a negative review, and we're doing everything we can, but Central Dispatch Cox Automotive is not allowing us to remove a typo type of error in the fact that this didn't belong in your reviews. And I'll do whatever I have to do to please you until we can push this up the level to the legal department at Cox Automotive that they need to start figuring out a way to fix this when it's a mistake.
yeah. Well, I guess I'll try to call Central and see what they say. But I mean, at the end of the day, yeah.
They don't care about brokers like they care about truckers. They need you guys because they're trying to appease dealerships and other companies like Manheim, right? It's crazy. Alright, so I got another call coming out and you're working, so let me know. We're gonna take care of this as fast as possible and I'll put pressure where I can because that's just not right, you know? That is just not right. Alright?
Yeah, I would have never seen it if somebody didn't make a comment to it when I went to book a car. So.
I got another call coming in, so call me later. Let's see